What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this Tesla Model 3 in for Xpel Stealth full Car PPF, giving it a new look as well as the added protection with the paint protection film. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Right then, guys, just hold up 1 second and we'll get straight back into it, I promise you. I just want to quickly talk you through the giveaway we are currently running on the channel to win our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10 year ceramic coating package. So what do you need to do to enter? If you look on screen right now, you'll be able to see it's very easy. All you have to do, follow us and Wax is Dead on Instagram, tag 3 friends in the comments of our giveaway announcement post, and then head over to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and then comment done on our Lamborghini Huracan Evo post once you've done. Once you've done all of that, you will be entered into the giveaway. So go ahead, enter now. Make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity as it is our biggest giveaway yet. And let's carry on with the video. So that's this Model 3 decontaminated and poured inside the PPF bay. Let's go ahead and cut the film using our plotter, and then we can start applying the Xpel Stealth PPF. Right then, so even though we decontaminate the vehicle outside, before we apply any PPF, we will still go over each panel with a clay bar just to make sure there is nothing on the paintwork at all that could show underneath the film. Right then, so with the Stealth PPF now applied to the bonnet, look how good the finish is. So this is such a good way to give your car a new look whilst also getting the benefits of the paint protection film. So now that you've seen the process of applying the film, let's go ahead and smash out the rest of the car.
So if you didn't know, included in all of our full car PPF packages, we will also take the wheels off the car so we can coat the faces and barrels of the wheels, and as well as that, we will also coat the glass with our ceramic coatings. Right then, so as well as the Xpel Stealth PPF, this customer also opted to go for the Xpel Light Tint. So what we're going to do is go ahead and apply the Xpel Light Smoke Tint. This just adds a nice little addition to the car and adds that personal touch to this customer's car. Right then, so that's all of the PPF now applied to this Tesla Model 3. The last thing for us to do is to go ahead and get carbon shades down here so we can go ahead and tint the windows as requested by the customer. So let's get the windows tinted, and that's this Tesla Model 3 complete. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let us know what you think of the finished result in the comment section down below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and we'll catch you in the next one.